Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Kalechi and I am a creative designer, a Canva expert. And today we're going to be taking a look at the AI features in Canva. Yep, we're going to be taking a look and I'm going to be breaking it out for you. Now, without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the tutorial. I know you must have heard about ChatGPT, if I'm not mistaken. The name usually confuses me, and it's an AI tool that can pretty much give you answers to anything you want. Okay, it's not, I don't think it should be new to anybody because it's kind of like popular. Like everybody must have heard about ChatGPT. If you haven't, then you're in luck because I just told you what it does. ChatGPT has a lot of functions, which one of them is to give you answers to any question that you might have. And people have been using this tool to do a lot of things like create ebook. I've not used it to that extent, just to ask some basic questions, and it has given me great responses in just a little amount of time. Now, today I'm going to be showing you guys something, okay, that I feel might be beneficial to you. I'm not going to disclose it just yet, but there's a similar, okay, I'm going to disclose it. There is a similar function in Canva that's similar to ChatGPT. So instead of going to ChatGPT option, you can discover it in Canva, and that is what I am going to be showing you today. And that is not the only thing I'm going to be showing you today. So let's find out. Now, let's say this is ChatGPT. Oh, telling me a network error. I hope it doesn't spoil. Okay, so five. We're going to ask. This is the ChatGPT option. This is where you ask the question. Okay, now I'm going to ask 5 ways to earn with Canva and enter. Okay, it's bringing out the option, the answers. Like I said, it can give you answers to any question you might have. Okay. Now, designing and selling digital products, offering design services, affiliate marketing, creating and selling Canva templates, providing Canva training. Okay, so I only specified the number 5 ways, meaning that if I included another number like 6 ways to earn, 7 ways, it might just give me the answers I'm looking for. So note it's designing and selling digital products, offering design services, affiliate marketing, creating and selling Canva templates, providing Canva training. Now this is ChatGPT. Now let's go to Canva and let's try something similar. Now this is my home page. Okay, my Canva home page. Now the option or the feature that is going to give me almost exactly what I just did with ChatGPT is this. Now doc, you can say it, design visual docs. Now click on this learn more button and then click on create blank. Kabish. Now this is it. This is it. Now to get exactly the same thing, I'll click on this plus sign which says add magic. Now once you click on this, it's going to bring a lot of options. It will give you magic write, design, heading, subheading, body, embed, table, checklist, bulleted list, blah blah blah. Now we want to focus on magic write, which is this. You can explore other options here, design. That's the whole beauty of it, the adventure. I don't have to give you everything. You have to do some work yourself. Now I'll click on magic write and put the exact same thing, okay, I did over there, which is 5 ways you can earn with Canva, and then click enter. It's loading. It's loading. So we have it. 5 ways you can earn with Canva. Become a Canva Pro subscriber. create and sell your own Canva templates, become a professional designer and offer design services to clients, become an affiliate marketer and promote Canva Pro to your audience, create and sell Canva designs on stock photo sites such as Shutterstock and Getty Images. Now, in case you've been looking for this answers, because most of the questions that Canva designers have is, how do we earn with our skill? How do we earn with Canva? Now, you can just go ahead into your Canva and ask the question, and you get the answers from Canva. So it's really amazing. It's really awesome. Now, if you notice, this it's a different font, 5 ways you can earn with Canva. It's one font, and this is another font. This is my brand font. The heading for the heading it's Beba's new, and then this it's Newell, Instalong, and Arimo. So this right here is Arimo, and this is for the heading, and this is for the body of the text. So it's going to use your brand font. If you don't have any brand font, it might just recommend other fonts for you. Okay, so we are not done. We are not done. Although it has given us almost the exact answers it gave, ChatGPT gave us. Okay, the affiliate marketing, sell Canva designs, create your own templates, become a Canva Pro subscriber, become a professional designer, and offer design services. Okay, it's giving us almost the same thing. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let me show you another magic. We've gotten it. We've gotten the ways. Now you click on convert to presentation. Okay, once you click on this, watch the magic that's going to happen. It'll bring you over to welcome to doc to desk, convert the content in your document to an eye-catching presentation instantly. And then we'll click on get started. And this is where the magic happened. This is just one page, one page, one page, but to make it like for it to look like a presentation, just 6 pages will do. This will do. So you can just select 5 ways you can earn with Canva: page one, page two, page three, page four, page five, page six. If you're having problems, if you're having issues like trying to create a presentation, then this can help you. It does the work for you. It does the work for you. You don't need to do much. Okay, you can select eye-catchy colors. The color combinations are really awesome. This it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So you can just select the options. I think they removed there's one beautiful presentation template that I found when I tried it before. I can't find it again, but this would do. This would do. Now, if you are not satisfied with this, okay, and you can also change it to your brand, like your brand colors. My brand colors, yellow and black. I have a lot of colors, but yellow it's dominant. I have a lot of brand colors, so I think this is the first two colors are what they use to generate this for me. Now let's go back to default. I think I like this. Now you can go over to create my presentation, and voila. If you are not satisfied, like you want to add other, you can decide to just make it look much better, make it look much more attractive, and see, it's really nice. It's really, really nice. So you can add elements, you can add photos just to give it that extra touch. Okay, you can add elements and then share, download, and save. So that's it for Magic Write. Okay, that's it for Magic Write. You can also add a heading like in a design, 5 ways you can earn with Canva. can add a heading. So you can add on this heading, you can make it look like a design. Now what you need to do is you click on this plus sign over here and come over to design. And we're just gonna wait. And here we are. You can select any of the templates that you wish. Let me just go with this and change this text to 5 ways you can earn with Canva. I'm going to use Antonio Light because it's slim. Place it in the middle. Yep. So once you're done with this, you can click on save, and here you have it. Voila, 5 ways you can earn with Canva. You have the heading here looking like a design, and that's pretty much about Canva Magic, right? The Canva docs. Now, like I said before, you will need to explore the heading, subheading, body, embed table, checklist, bulleted list, numbered list, emoji, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, timer, logos, and so on. You can have all of this in this document, okay, in this particular design. You can have every single one of this. So just go ahead and explore, and I can't wait for what Canva is going to introduce, because I know they have a lot on their that they'll be sharing with us. Now we're not done. There's still one more thing I would like to show you. So after this, just head over to our home page and go to create a design, and I'm just going to select a 3000 by 3000. Yep, so this is it. Now, text to image is another exciting AI feature that you can utilize in Canva. Now, you can locate it under apps, click on apps, and you're going to see text to image. There's a whole lot of stuff you can explore here, but we're going to be focusing on this text to image. Now, let's see, I'm going to try an ancient, just input the text here, ancient golden dog, and then select a style. I'm going to go with concept art. We have photo, we have painting, we have drawing, we have 3D, and we have pattern. So you can just choose any option that you prefer. And I'm going to go for concept art and click on generate image. It's loading and we're waiting. There's lots of options. Ancient golden dog. Okay, let me see if there will be more options. This, wow, Canva has a lot, a lot of options, but I don't think I've seen the particular one. This particular one I'm looking for. But all this looks great. All this looks good. You can just use any of them in your design. You can use any of them in your design. Let's say you're trying to get a photo, an image in Canvas library, and you're not seeing what you want. You can just come over to text to image and then select any option. Now you can also place this inside a frame. We'll go to it's uploading. You can also place this inside a frame. Yep, elements, and come over to frames. This particular frame that I love so much, it's the circular frame with border. I love it. Yep, where are you? Okay, this is it. So you can just use this and put it inside, and then you can increase it. You can also play around. Let's just turn this to a simple design, I'll go to photos and use this as the background. Change this to white. And then for the text, select this. Oh, how to take care of your pets. Something like this. And move this and reduce this. It's looking really, really nice. So that's like I said before, I know Canva will definitely bring more AI features but this is just amazing. This is just amazing. And I really hope that you can explore all of these. You can just use the text to image, you can use the magic write. And if you found any of these tips that I shared here helpful, you can drop a like or comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for now, this is all I have for you. I'm going to be sharing more if I come across any of them. So it's bye bye for now, and make sure you keep designing.